Christine Cherbonnier.
And I'm Kayla MiChele. We're here with the vivacious,
Gorgeous,
redhead, ginger mama, Julia Banas.
Mom, I love you.
On our recent cover shoot, Julia showed me a lipstick removal trick that I'd never seen before, and I'm super excited for her to show you guys how to do it today.
Let's do it.
So I'm gonna do Lady Danger. What do you have?
Ruby Woo, my favorite.
I'm just doing mock red.
I love that one. So classic. Okay. Wow. So bright.
To remove this beautiful put-on lipstick. Not ready. We just need a wet tissue, nothing else, no makeup remover. And the thing is that you have to put it all like around your fingers, like this. So you will just have tissue all over your fingers.
Okay.
And you have to put it inside your mouth, touching your lips. And the lips are kind of rolling inside, so you don't have makeup all over your face, like this kind of funny looking movement.
All
so
right.
Let's do it. And then it's gone.
Fun.
In one step.
So easy. Wait. Okay.
One
Just so
step.
I have to teach the model this because this is a major, so I don't have to be removing lipstick all day. I take my fingers. I wrap the tissue around my finger. Put my lips inside, and then remove the lipstick by going into the mouth.
Inside your mouth. Yes.
Okay, ready?
Yes,
Done.
exactly.
How did you learn that trick?
As my friend showed me, she was a dancer, so she had to change her makeups during like one show. So that was probably the quickest way to remove the lipsticks that she found. And we can use it also in set when we're changing looks in between.
Yeah, it's so
Including
easy.
with beauty.
Yeah, because you do a lot of lipstick changes on set, and you're always trying to like take everything off, but not mess up the foundation. So now we know.
Now we know.
Thank you guys for hanging out with us today. For more tips and tricks and beauty tutorials, check us out. Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Okay, how did you learn that trick?